You guys, it is officially October, which means you can start decorating for Halloween without your neighbors judging you. My name is Kimbo and I blog at agirlgoodgun.com and I love Halloween. I love all of the oogie and boogie. It's so much fun. So today I put together a totally fun craft that looks good on your mantle, to use out on your front porch, or to put with your Halloween costume. It is a witch's broom. And the best part is most of the stuff you probably already have on hand, which makes a total inexpensive, fun DIY. Here is what you are going to need to make this craft. You're going to take a walk and gather up a whole bunch of sticks. We just went down to our park and they were just laying there on the ground, easy for us to gather up. You're going to want to get really thin ones so your broom looks wispy. You're also going to need a nice big thick stick for the handle of the broom. If you can't find one, I'm going to show you how to make one out of an old box. So there's two options there. What I love about making it out of a box is you can make it whimsical, you can make it curly, you can make it whatever shape you want. You're also going to need a hot glue gun, very important. Some twine to wrap around. If you want to paint your broom, make it all black, you're going to need paint. I didn't paint my broom, but you can paint yours. If you want to trim it, which is an option, you're going to need some sharp shears to trim it. But we'll get to that. We'll go over it. Just gather those up and let's go. All right, here's all my supplies. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to take these sticks and I'm going to snap them in half. I want them all about the same size, which is about 12 to 14 inches. And then I'm going to gather up a bundle. I'm going to add a big glob of hot glue. You can't see me do that, of course. But you're going to add a big hot glue daub to the main stick and then stick those little sticks on it. You want to make sure that none of them are falling out as you're moving the broom around. Now I'm going to tie a piece of twine around this, but I'm not tying it tight. It's got a little bit of room. And then I'm going to take these sticks and just shove them up in there until that string is nice and tight. And then I'm going to add hot glue on that layer to make sure that those are stuck. I'm going to add another piece of string that's not super tight. And then I'm going to continue putting those sticks in that string. And then I'm going to make sure that I rotate my broom around so it's nice and full on all sides of it. You can build up your broom however big or small you want. You can just go until you run out of sticks. You can make it really fat, you can make it skinny. You do you. So taking my twine, I'm just going to tie a knot and then I'm going to wrap it around really tight. This keeps the sticks in place, as well as I think it looks a little bit more like a broom. So I actually do 3 different little sections of twine on this broom. Well, I think like right there, I think the 1 looks good. I added another one, the 2 looks good, or you could do 3. Just depends on what the look that you're going for. This part is optional, but you can trim off the top, you can trim off the bottom and make it look a little bit more even. It's up to you. Here's a little close-up view of it. And then there's the broom. Like I said, if you wanted to, you could spray paint it all black. That would be really cool. All right, now we're going to make a cardboard version because who doesn't have 1,000 Amazon boxes laying around? So this is a great option if you want to make your broom handle really whimsical and curly, or if you just can't find a big stick. I just opened up a box nice and wide, sketched out a broom shape, and then cut it out. I'm just using regular scissors. If you'll notice right now, it is really flimsy with 1 layer of cardboard. So I hot glue the crap out of it and I stick it to another piece of cardboard. And I actually do this 4 times. I cut out each layer. I'll show you. There you go. I'm going to cut out each layer and then just continue building it up, hot gluing and adding a layer. So I did 4 and it is really sturdy. So I recommend doing that. I also painted mine. You don't have to paint yours. I mean, the cardboard is brown, but I did paint mine. And then when I went to add the sticks, I did it the exact same way. I hot glued, I added sticks, I added the twine, stuck in the sticks, and made it just as nice and full as you want it. All right, here they are side by side. My goal is to make a bunch of brooms and have a whole like witch's entryway in my house. So I'm halfway there. If you guys make anything, make sure to tag me because I love to see your guys' projects, and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any crafty DIYs.